welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rebecca Corliss and you are watching Rebecca Corliss Home Design. It's January 19th. I filmed clips between the last vlog that you saw. So we've been working really hard on the house. I hope you can hear me. So there's a few changes that have been made. We put river stone down. We put a fence up, which looks really good. Let's see if you can see it from this angle. Kind of see. Looks really good. And I will be doing my little pavers path and some plants up here. So it's been a while, but we've been pretty busy, and you know, I've just been trying to get organised in the new year and just going through some things, you know. And I've been actually on a body and mind health reboot, so I've been trying to do walks every day, and I really want to lose some weight and also just get healthy. So Stuart's making the deck back there. So what I'm going to do today is I will be vacuuming and doing a clean. So it's looking a lot.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
You know, nice and with the theme that I'm going for, and you know, relevant, modern, uplift a home, and just my take on staging a property. And I think that's a really good thing for me to film because it's something I'm passionate about, and I do have, you know, a qualification in real estate. I have sold houses, I have staged houses to sell before, and I sort of have a little bit to back it up, you know. And I'm not trying to teach things, I just want to like share my absolute like passion and creativity. And yeah, I'm just really excited about starting my YouTube channel this year. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will make this a YouTube vlog. I might call it like house update or January house update, something like that. So also I want to tell you guys that I'm going on a girls camping trip. So excited about it with my two best friends. We are going away to a beach in near Tauranga, sort of Waihi in New Zealand. So we go to a beach called Bowentown Beach, and we have booked for 4 nights. We are camping, so I've got my tent and I've got to go out and get a lot of camping gear from my parents' house. I'm so excited, and I may take you guys along with me. I mean, I can film bits and just, you know, if the girls are feeling uncomfortable, they don't have to be in it. But, yeah, sorry, I just got sick of sitting down. Yeah, so I'm so excited about my camping trip. That's next Thursday. Today is Thursday, 19th of January 2023. I'm so excited to do the landscaping as well. I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately as well, just to inspire me and things. I find that I love January because it's a new lease on life, you know, it's a new start. So this is how it's looking. It's looking so much better after I vacuumed. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. I'm obsessed with this house. Anyway, it's around lunchtime now and I haven't eaten anything all day. Sorry, my brother-in-law is just, I hate talking to the camera in front of people, it's so awkward. But look how beautiful it is today. Charlie, my kitten, is doing well. He is so much bigger. I'll have to show you guys. And yeah, so I don't know what I'll get up to next. I think go make some lunch and then maybe go for a walk. And I have been doing a lot of cleaning, and I've cleaned my car today because we're taking my car for the camping trip. So I'm also getting it serviced next Wednesday. So I'm all prepared for my camping trip. Okay guys, so I will see you soon.